Okay, GC. So this was the entry the other day. We got the 1, 2 and took the entry up here on in GC. We got the 3, 4, 5 down, and we came out here yesterday evening. It gave us that last 4, 5 as a squiggle down, and now it's grinding up. We're almost at the 618 back for the 2. We're in the zone when we're going to short it again. I suspect it's going to want to push up to the 1204 level, but I'm looking for a short entry in GC to play the rest of the move down. Zooming out to the hourly chart, there's the 1 in 5 waves. This is the 2. Then we should get the 3, 4, 5. The 2786 for this subwave here, if it plays out, is at 1149, and that lines up with the 323.6 of the next subwave up at 1149. And if you go to the daily charts and 4-hour charts on the site, which have all been updated as of about half an hour ago, you'll see all of that, everything, multiple fibs from multiple points of reference across multiple time frames, all point to 1149. So that's what I'm looking for. And as I've said in the evening video updates, I'm looking for a long position there, but with caution. It may only be the bottom of the 3. I think silver's going to take out its 2016 low, and the miners have been extraordinarily weak on this pullback in the 4th in the metals. So it's not a slam dunk that that's going to be the ultimate low, but I do think it will be a tradable low, and we'll go from there.